Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to transfer data iPhone to in pendrive. Okay, let's see friends, I show you. First friends, you need buy this adapter. So this adapter you can buy online very easily. I also provide you link in description. Okay friends, now I show you how to transfer data. First friends, you insert USB in the adapter. And then attach adapter in the phone. So adapter friends I attach ready. Open iPhone file app. Click here. This is my pen drive. So which pen drive I insert in the adapter. So show here all file that pen drive. Click here. So friends, this interface open ready. So I open this folder. Now I open my iPhone photo gallery. So here friends, you can choose any picture or video. I open this folder and choose here these two picture. And you see here friends, three dot. Click here and click to copy. And again I open pen drive folder. Here just a long press and paste that picture. So this two picture copy ready in my pen drive. So friends, like this you can transfer any picture, video and another data iPhone to in pen drive. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.